Hey you guys, I just got off a really great FaceTime call with the Clek company. I just got both of my car seats from them, one for Jolie and one for the new baby on the way. So I am super excited to show you which ones I got and how they all look now that they are perfectly installed and safe and ready for the kiddos. Let's go. So firstly, we put a ton of thought into the car that we wanted to lease. We were up for a new lease and I wanted the option of being able to fit 3 kids in the first row if we wanted. Likely Andy will end up in the back a lot of times, but I wanted the option of 3 kids being able to fit in one row, and apparently that's easier said than done, and there aren't that many cars that are wide enough to do that comfortably. So you either need a particular car or a very specific car seat. Clek is known to be very narrow, plus they are just beautiful car seats, so I'm super excited to show you the ones that I chose. And we just installed them all so they are safe, they're ready to go. We put lots of thought into the positioning of them as well. If we wanted to put baby in the middle, Jolie on the side, separate the 2 older girls so they won't be fighting. That's kind of what we ended up doing. We wanted both of the older kids to be able to be next to the baby, so we put the baby in the middle. Plus it's just the safest option, I think, to have the baby in the middle facing backwards. And I also want to be able to reach back to Jolie so I can help her buckle when I pick her up from carpool every single day. So let me show you how we have everything set up. Okay, so these are the car seats that we went with. This one is called the Fllo and it's amazing. I'm obsessed with this color. It's a storm color and I just love it. And then the infant car seat is called the Ling and we got it in the same matching color. I just like when it looks cohesive and clean and sleek. And their customer support just took me through an entire session teaching me how to properly install these, because there's so many bells and whistles and it is such a super heavy base because it is an amazing quality car seat, but lots of little bells and whistles that you just kind of need to know how to do. Otherwise you just want to make sure that you're installing it the proper way. So I feel super secure. I had Jolie's installed before, but we redid it because I didn't do it perfectly. So I feel really happy about that now. Plus there's this cool thing, this bar for extra safety purposes. So that is really cool. The quality is phenomenal. I love the look of it. And I'm really happy with our decision with these Clek car seats. I'm super pumped about it. So we decided to keep Jolie on this side just because when I pick them up from carpool, I like to be able to reach over to help her buckle herself. Andy's gonna be right here in her booster, which is where I'm sitting right now. She can buckle herself, so it's, you know, I don't need to assist her from there, which is good. And then this way, both kids are next to the baby, so they're both happy. They could both help out. And the baby's still just like an arm's reach away from me when I'm driving. So we should be good to go here. And yeah, I went over all the details on how all the buckles work, all the levers, how to adjust everything. And it's just a really well built car seat. My last one that we used for both kids was actually Andy's, so it was 6 years old, and car seats do expire apparently, so you always need to stay up to date with the latest like code and functionality, because it's constantly changing, but also you just want to make sure that you have the newest, safest car seat, and it gets like cruddy on it and things just don't work as well when they're older. So I'm really happy to have brand new ones for this new baby. All right, well, there you have it. Those are our new car seats. We have the Ling and the Fllo from Clek. I'm super excited about these. I love how they look. They are perfectly installed now, and their customer service was so helpful in setting me up. We are all ready for the hospital to bring baby home, God willing, really soon. So keep you posted. So be sure to head to Prep and Rally on Instagram to see all kinds of updates and see how we use these car seats daily. And we'll see you guys next time. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys soon. Bye guys.